The ground of the 74LS47 is connected to the 74LS93, and first pin on the down part, of the 74LS08, and for next, on the sixth pin on the of the 74LS47 is connected on the third pin of the 74LS08, and for the continuation of connection by Leia Cabangon.
The upper part of the 7-segment G-fob is connected to F-gab of 74LS47. Part of 7-segment EDC is connected to CDE of upper part of 74LS47. The last one, the letter C, composed of the third pin over LS47, Joyce.
Next, the wire of 74LS47. Where is that one? The 6. The last pin is connected to the first pin of 74LS08. And the third pin